Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to get your website looking just right on mobile devices using Wix, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to edit your mobile site in Wix Studio, but you'll also know how to make every page look professional and polished no matter what device your visitors are using. Mobile optimization is such a crucial part of web design, and making sure your website shines on phones is going to set you apart. Let's jump right in. Once you're in Wix Studio, you'll notice there are several different breakpoints or views. These are like windows into how your site appears on different devices. You'll see Monitor for desktop, tablet, and of course, mobile view. It's really important to use these tools because something that looks great on a laptop might be cramped or misaligned on a smaller mobile screen. For this demo, let's select Mobile View. You just click that option, and the editor will instantly switch over to show you how your homepage looks on a typical smartphone. Now, don't be surprised if things look out of place. Images might be squished, text could overlap, and videos might not fit the way you intended. This is totally normal, and honestly, it's pretty common even for experienced designers. The key is not to panic. What we're here to do is make sure everything lines up and feels intuitive on a mobile screen. First up on our homepage, let's focus on that video element. On desktop, it may fill the space beautifully, but on mobile, it could spill over the edges or shrink in a way that leaves awkward gaps. We're going to adjust its size and position so it occupies the space just right. Try resizing or dragging the video's handles until it's neatly nestled within the visible area of the mobile view. Sometimes you'll also need to tweak the padding or margins. Take your time, think of it like rearranging furniture in a small room. You want everything to fit, look balanced, and not block any important pathways like buttons or links. Next, cast your eye up to the menu and header. These are the navigation and branding elements right at the top. On mobile, space is at a premium, so menus are often condensed into so-called hamburger icons, and headers need to be succinct. Make sure your logo isn't getting cut off. The menu is easy to tap, and any contact details are readable without zooming. If anything feels too tight or cluttered, consider simplifying. You can always move less important info further down, or even hide it on mobile if it isn't essential. Now let's move to the products page. Again, switch to mobile view and scan through all your product images, descriptions, and buttons. Are the images stacking nicely? Is the text readable without awkward breaks? Maybe you spot some buttons that are too close together, which can be frustrating for folks trying to tap with their thumbs. Adjust any elements that make the page feel crowded, or that could confuse a potential customer browsing on their phone. The goal is to make every product shine and to keep the user experience smooth and easygoing. Once you're satisfied with these changes, the same principles apply for your other pages. Just repeat the process, select each page, switch to mobile view, and make those necessary tweaks. It can take a little patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Every visitor who lands on your site from their phone will appreciate the attention to detail, and you'll definitely see the benefit in how they interact with your content. And that's basically it. Editing your mobile site on Wix isn't rocket science, but a little extra care goes a long way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you've got any questions or run into tricky issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to make your online presence the best it can be. Thanks for watching and happy editing.